Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Hi guys, uNtanzi have been through the most in life. Awungitshela umabhene sesakaza ingane yabantu ngempama. Hey, wayesenzeni uNtanzi? Guys, we are supporting Ntanzi this week. Please, let's support our Ntanzi. Ntanzi did not unalive Senzomiwa, guys. Like, uzifake impama wenze all sorts of things omabhene. Asizwile ukuthi uyadele. Like umazela kuphi uNtanzi? Like, honestly, guys.
Ubaloyi just doesn't finish with his lies, and then now you must jump in while you interrupt him. Attending Siparamusipile while he's talking. Okay, guys, you were quiet here for the past 2 weeks. Maybe keep your mouth shut. All the things that he's objecting to is hogwash. I'm just like, please. Because you know how it is in life. If someone puts something in a certain way, it cannot be the same as you. I cannot put anything like you. Like, for example, I understand. So, if how he wants to put it, this is the problem. And I'm telling you, Ramusipili is just like, bruh, I don't want to be disrespectful to anyone in life. Not even a good thing as my colleague. I don't. So, please, leave me. And Ushilo no rata Ugutim. At the end of the day, can people keep their mouth shut while another lawyer or attorney or advocate is still busy? Ungegele pants until you raise a low point at a certain time. Oh, but you guys, it's not even 12 o'clock, so sugume 3 times. I'm just like, Baloyi, please calm down, bruh. Already, you guys, we've seen right through you for the past, I don't know how many years already. Since we're at Africa, for the past 3 years, we know. So please leave. To continue. Untanzi did not mince his words. He was just like, Unamanga, uzungu. After they said in some picture, you know, say move, go to my piece or accuse number 4. Guys, like, honestly, guys, like, you can see my piece is even a bit lighter, you know, than Untanzi. Please. And Untanzi is so tall on my way. Like, Osabon, please, guys. Ozungu no kininda izulu ngebalibone. Please, mark my words. I was watching SABC just now ngilalela case ne. Hayibo. Bamthuka in. Beginning. I'm just like, yeah, guys, you can't live your life like that. So I even said at some stage, you remember I've said it in my videos so many times, you would say, so many families, 5 people, those who are arrested for nothing. Those families are gonna leave you. No, there's nothing like that. Puppies now every day, like all sorts of things, like crazy things like that. It's crazy, guys. I can't. I mean, life. I could have just said, guys, I'm actually tired. Can these guys be released now and be acquitted? I'm done. Ramusipili Usipho. Busy uti Mr. Siband. Guys, he must call him doctor. He's a doctorate guy. He has a PhD, guys. We have to respect that. That's another story for another day, you know. Umamfundisi umuhula. Mamfundisi my fault. Yo, labantu bakhohlakele yazi bathi bakhohlakele ingane. Untanzi wabantu. Guys, Untanzi, when he was arrested, he was 25. Is it even right, guys, would have been in jail or in prison for how long now? 6 years? For nothing. You didn't do anything. So how much is the state going to pay this guy? Go by Untanzi won't have to work again after this. Umamfundisi, I don't know. Usentshethu Mukhola, those stunts pulling off. Busy efonelana noNtanzi ethi ufuna umsebenzi yini labantu bayigebengu lemgulu ukuthi they don't even deserve those jobs as subs these people. They must just be arrested naye ubaba wabo uGininda. Oh, they are so tiring labantu laba. Busy ufonelana nengane ubuza umbhedo kanti usile ufuna ukubopha ingane ingenzile lutho bhena ngendlela engangibazwela ngayo kanti babe busy beshaya ingane without even nje ukuthi bamzwele ubuhlungu. And they didn't even ask him his ID. Actually, they didn't ask his ID. But the two they were looking for. They don't even know who they're looking for. They don't even know what they're doing. They just went on to arrest wrong people. And the South Africa species when okay, he can just tell us exactly what happened there. And Uchiko Azubit, I mean, though. But it has happened for the past 11 years. How many people have been paid for this? so that you can arrest poor people. It's not right. It's totally uncalled for. And you go and arrest someone without reading them their rights, nothing. You don't even know nothing about them. I'm just like, guys, some people actually in South Africa have gotten away with a lot of things, crazy things. This is why I guess those top cops, Sinona and them, they must just be arrested, those people. Osbia knows exactly what happened on this case, Kasenzo Meyo. They know exactly what happened. They must just be arrested. In fact, lawyer, especially for the case Kasenzo Meyo, akayitshela. Angithi ozama ukuhle mbatha were the same people futhi nabo who were actually arrested for this case. Sebaningi abantu Gininda abafaka enkingeni nje for nothing. Lo muntu nje just take his badge. Fanele bamvale lo Julius Malema nje befanele baphushe nje leyo, to be honest, ad hoc. Ngeke sizesidlala abantu, guys. This is crazy now. These guys, they have to be acquitted. We are so tired of this case. Slow sihamba nje moshana nemali ye-state ye-tax yethu. Ababoshwe abantu. Uzama ukuhle ended up suing the state for a lot of millions. Abanikeza untanzi imali zabayile ekhaya never work. Bawuthenga iy'nkomo le kaNongoma nasemahlabathini. Basile. South Africans are fighting. They just like, you know what, yabona uGininda ngeke azagcina yena ne-entourage yakhe kusalayo at the end of the day. Ngeke bazibagcina those people. And we are here to watch it happen. Beboshwa. We can't. We want to make sure. Ndinda ama-TV on the day. Sifuna ukuyibona lezo zandla zingemuva ziboshiwe. Singaphela abantu. Lalela isikhathi soGininda sesifikile. Ngithi ngisemgodini ngithengisa nini idakamizwa angazi ukuthi kanjani. Ngapha ngithengisa idakamizwa ngapha futhi ngisemayini. Kaze uGininda badlalile ngabantwana babantu.
Now, before you were booked into the cells now, did anyone explain your rights to you?
Ngaphambi kokuthi ufakwe kona-ke ama-cell lapho ukhona yini owakutshela ngamalungelo akho? No, my lord, I wasn't informed of anything.
Were you given any document explaining your rights to you?
Kukhona wakunikwa yini iphepha noma amaphepha wakunikwa yini elinamalungelo akho?
Alikho iphepha engalithola. Iphepha engiliphethe namanje iphepha abanginika lona lese-Rustenburg, e-police station yase-Rustenburg. Lona phepha abanginika lona.
No, my lord. Gate 19.
Gate 19.
No, my lord, there's no document that I was given. The only document that I have, I have with me, that I was given, it was given to me at the police station in Rustenburg on the 19th.
And that document that you were given at Rustenburg, does it pertain to notice of rights?
Lelo phepha ukhuluma ngalo leli lange 19 eRustenburg likhuluma ngamalungelo.
Ngoba isilungu angikwazi ukusifunda, ngeke ngisho ukuthi khona angilazi ukukhuluma ngoba phela uma phela ngantshela ngomlomo athi mina nani leli phepha lakho lamalungelo azange afunde ukuthi afunde ukuthi kubhale ukuthini nokuthini.
Because I am not conversant in English, my lord, I do not know whether it speaks of rights. It's just that Mabena gave me the document and said, here's your document, it's about the rights, but it was never read to me. But pertaining to this matter, up until now, I do not have it, my lord. There was never a document that was given to me. Even with regards to the Nongoma case that they are referring to, there's no document that I was ever given.
Do you recall signing any document at Pretoria North SAPS at the time Mohane was done writing what he was doing?
Ingabe uyakhumbula yini kukhona okusayindayo ePretoria North police station khona emuva kokuthi uMohane seqedile ukubhala lokho ayekubhala? Uyakhumbula kukhona okusayinayo?
Yebo ngiyakhumbula Nkosi kaThola ngasayina lapha tata ngisayine lapha ngoba sengemaseleni.
Yes, I do recall, my lord, when he told me to sign here, to sign there. That is now when I was going to the cells.
Did he explain to you what you were signing?
Ingaba wachazela yini ukuthi kuyini lokho okusayinayo?
Kosankatele yona into ayisho kimi nje wathi ndoda ngiyakuthatha icala lika Senzo Meyiwa. Nakho ke nyathela usayinela ngenza kanjalo kwase qeda kasengikhiyelela wasehamba.
What he said to me, my lord, was that I'm now charging you for the matter of Senzo Meyiwa. He then asked me to put my fingerprints. He also then told me to sign. I did what he instructed me to. He then locked me up and he left.
And that which you signed, Was it explained to you?
Logo owawukusayinela ngaba wachazelwa yini kwashiwo yini ukuthi kuyini lokho okusayinelayo?
Cha Nkosi enkantolo.
No, my lord.
Was your person searched before you were transferred to the cells?
Ngaphambilini kokuthi ufakweke kuwona ama-cell ingabe waseshwa yini?
Azange bangiseshe Nkosi enkantolo ngoba ngingaphethe lutho. Yonke into eyenzeke phambi kwami. Amafoni bawathathe ezandleni kimi, i-ID bayithathe esandleni kimi. Azange bangiseshe ngoba ngingaphethe lutho vele.
No, my lord, I wasn't searched because I was not in possession of anything. Everything happened in front of them. The cell phones were taken, the ID was taken, so I had nothing on me.
And tell me something, whilst you were in the Pretoria North police station cells, were there cell inspections that were done by the local police officers from that police station?
Ngathi-ke uselapho emaselini khona ePretoria North, ingabe ayimanyeza yini amaphoyisa alapho ePretoria North bezobheka-ke noma bezobuka-ke isimo sama-cell lapho ePretoria North?
Nkosi enkantolo lento ayenzakala e-police station lo nto le. Mina lento le ngachaza lapho lento ngiqala ukuyibona ejele mina ukuthi ejele eRustenburg nalapho eHose Mabhulu ukuthi iphoyisa liyakubuza ukuthi right na unasikhalo na uguli na ngiqala ukuyizwa lapho ejele. Mina lokho le police station azange ngaqondana lo nto le.
My lord, that doesn't happen at the police station. It was only in prison when I started to see that it was in Rustenburg as well as here in Hoshimampuru that an officer would come, ask you if you are okay, if there are no complaints, but not at the police station.
Now, let's touch a bit on the Nongoma case that I referred to you earlier. You have stated in this court categorically that neither Sergeants Mohane nor Mabena asked you about this case during the evening of the 16th of June 2020, correct?
Masakhuluma-ke ngalo daba lwaNongoma-ke ukushilo ukuthi abakazeke noma uMohane noma uMabena bakubuzeke ngalo icala lelo lakwaNongoma.
Yebo Nkosi enkantolo ngiqala ukuzwa lana ngelapha eboxini.
Yes, my lord. The first time I heard about it was here when he took the stand.
Now, Sergeant Mohane has testified that when they descended upon your area, primarily it was because of that Nongoma case, but over and above, when they profiled you before you were arrested or approached, the police picked up that you had several other criminal cases against you.
Ethula ubufakazi bakhe-ke uSergeant Mohane wakushoka ukuthi yebo uma beya kwena-ke babeye ngalo icala leliyana lakwaNongoma, kodwa-ke bathi uma bephenya-ke bebheka-ke bathola-ke ukuthi kwakunamanye amacala owawunawo ngakuwena. Kwakuwubufakazi bukaMohane lobo.
Ngenkulu nje inhlonipho Nkosi enkantolo ngoba mina ekhaya ngiyazala ngikwazi ukusebenzisa igama lokuthi umuntu ongangoMohane ngithi unamanga.
With the greatest of respect, my lord, I'm unable or I cannot say to someone as of Mohane's age that person is telling lies.
Lento nje ngikhulumela Nkosi enkantolo iphutha ngokumhlonipho. Ngikhulumela iphutha.
But what he said about me, my lord, with the greatest of respect, is that he made a mistake.
And Brigadier Gininda also testified regarding this Nongoma case, and his testimony is to the effect that to this day, you are still a person of interest in that matter.
Naye-ke uBrigadier Gininda ubethululeke ubufakazi washoka ukuthi ngalo icala leliyana lakwaNongoma uze kube manje nje ukuthi-ke umuntu-ke osabhekiwe-ke mayelana nalo icala leliya lakwaNongoma.
Namanje Nkosi enkantolo nakaze ngiye kwaNongoma.
Up to now, my lord, I've never been to kwaNongoma.
Ingoba ngiqala ukuzwa lapha ecourt ukuthi nanginecala kwaNongoma.
I only heard it for the first time here in court that I have a case kwaNongoma.
Number 1 Nkosi enkantolo mina ngumdlali wengoma futhi emakhaya ngidumile kakhulu.
Firstly, my lord, I am someone who takes part in the traditional dance, and I'm well known back home.
engomeni Nkosi enkantolo ngo-2018 mangaphosisi ingoma yayisegqikazi kwaNongoma alikho iphoyisa lingekho lokwaNongoma lapha